In this video, we're going to add a device. This is done after all the physical connections are made between your WaterCop and SmartConnect, and also with your router if you're going to use the Ethernet method. Make sure the LED on the top of your SmartConnect unit is flashing white. If for some reason it's not, push and hold the reset button on the front of the unit for about 10 seconds or until the LED does begin flashing white. While you're still near the SmartConnect, click the plus sign in the app. And this first step here is an iOS specific step. You have to push the blue button to start scanning for devices. If this is the first time you're using the app after you downloaded it, this one is also when you'll get your first app permission to allow the Bluetooth. You must allow the Bluetooth in order to provision the SmartConnect. Now it's scanning for all the SmartConnect within range. And I want to make sure I grab the right one. So I'm going to look at the side of my SmartConnect unit at the MAC address label. And the last 4 digits is 1D1C. So I can tell this one here on the bottom is the correct one. So I'll select it and I'll click pair on the Bluetooth request. And now it's asking for that proof of possession. The proof of possession is also found on the side of your SmartConnect underneath the MAC address. Enter it correctly or else it won't go through. And I'll check it one more time. It's correct. So then you hit next. It'll submit the PIN. Now it's asking for the connection type. If you were choosing Ethernet, you had this hooked to your router. The setup is really quickly. It goes through a couple setup steps and then asks you to name the device. I'm going to use this on Wi-Fi today and show you the Wi-Fi setup. Now it's only pulling up all of the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks within the area. I'm going to select this one here, enter the password. And if you do have an Eero or some other mesh type of router, and you have trouble setting up this 2.4 device, you may need to go into your Eero app or whatever app you have and pause your 5G just for the setup of the SmartConnect. Now it's going through a few provisioning steps here. And during this time, you'll also notice the LED on the top of your SmartConnect goes solid blue, indicating that it has made a Wi-Fi connection. If you're using an Ethernet, whenever it makes the connection, it will turn a solid green. Now it's going to ask me to name the device. I'll just name this one DINA Test Unit. And the enter address button, this is driven by Google Maps. So when you begin typing in the physical address, it'll pull up the options for you to select the right one. And then you submit, and then the device is completely provisioned. And I'll see you in the next video.